This is what the bottom of Lake Mead looked like before the dam. I tried so hard to navigate. This is exactly what the bottom of Lake Mead looked like. The Colorado River. I'm surprised you guys hadn't heard of this bridge. They've had 5 suicides off this bridge in 1 year. They had one this month. A local guy that lived in Henderson. 5. 2 women and 3 men. All of them were in the national bridge. Just as we cross over the bridge this morning, welcome to Arizona, the Grand Canyon State. And you know they call these 2 states sister states, Nevada and Arizona, for many reasons. I will tell you a few. First of all, size. Arizona is the 6th largest state in the continental United States, 113,000 square miles. Nevada is the 7th largest, 110,000 square miles. Order of admission is another reason. Both states are in a true desert. Arizona's in the Sonoran Desert. Nevada's in the Mojave. They both share the Brook Dam. Half the dam is in Arizona, half of it is in Nevada. They both share the bridge. Half of it is in and was paid for by Arizona. The other half is in and was paid for by Nevada. Just a few of the many, many reasons why they call Arizona and Nevada sister states. This is a bighorn sheep crossing out here. I don't see any out this morning. These guys out there looking for them. They may be back there somewhere out of the sun. Now, when we get down here in the dam this morning, I want you to remain seated until I get your tickets. And once I get your tickets and you exit the coach, on the left, you're going to find the bathrooms, the water fountain, and then sign, yellow sign, with the maximum size, with the maximum size backpack allowed. And then to the corner and turn left and follow the signs. These signs are going to lead you down an escalator and into the bottom of the visitor center. And once you're done in the visitor center, you might as well go on out back of the visitor center and get the observation deck in. It's right there. Then on out across the dam to the spillway house, the Virgin Tunnel, intake towers. And we're going to depart from out here today at 1:15. Very important that you be on time. Because down underneath you where we park, these officers allow us 5 minutes to get you unloaded and loaded. Reason for that is the fumes from these motor coaches. When we pull in,